How to use Discord voice chat on mobile. Firstly, open Play Store or App Store on your device. Go to the search bar and type in Discord. After that, look for any updates that may be available for Discord. Now go back to your home page and navigate to the Discord app. Open Discord on your device and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you open the app, you will land to the home page. On the home page, at the very left panel, you will see all the servers that you have joined. Using voice chat feature on your Discord mobile is a very simple process. Firstly, go to the home page and navigate to the server where you would like to start the voice chat. If you don't have any server, click on the plus icon. Now you can either join a server or create your own server. Once that's done, then go to your server and there you will see the option Voice Channels, and under that click on General. Once you click on the General option, then at the bottom a menu like this will open. Now you can decide if you want to be muted or you want to speak. Then click on Join Voice to start the call. And just like that, you're on a voice chat on Discord mobile. You can also add other members if you want. To add other people, click on the icon at the top right corner. That's all for today. Thank you.